Time to shed some light on a smarter way to power your home. And joining us now is advisor with Solar Energy World, Wyatt Everhart. Welcome back to Good Morning Washington.
Roxanne, always great to be with you here on the show.
Absolutely. Let's dive right in. You know, we're seeing a lot more severe thunderstorms rolling through. We're entering hurricane season. Seems like now's the time to get some backup battery power.
Yeah, backup battery power, a great idea right now. I mean, we always talk about solar being an advantage over expensive utility power, right? That just keeps going up and up. And it is great on its own. But you have to understand, solar by itself doesn't provide you that backup during a power outage, okay? You need to add the battery backup to accomplish that, and what a time to do it with so many severe thunderstorms across the DMV, across the East Coast, and hurricane season coming on. We saw what happened last year with Helene, for example, as close as Southern Virginia, days and days of outages. If you had solar plus battery backup, you have power for days. Last thought, you know, people talk about, well, could I do solar in a generator? Absolutely you could. We do it all the time, but there are some advantages, you know, to batteries over generators, such as no noise through the middle of the night, no exhaust fumes, no carbon monoxide, things like that to worry about. Just very seamless. Most people with a battery backup system in solar, they only know they lost power because they get a text alert on their phone through their monitoring app. So really, it's a very seamless technology.
So it sounds like people should really act now.
Now is really the time to act, especially for the full federal tax credit, which does apply to residential solar and batteries. But to get that, you really need to take action because we're quickly coming up on the end of the year. It takes several months to get all the permits, especially with the electrical on battery systems.
Great information as always. Thank you so much, Wyatt.